ladder safety is you got to pick the right ladder for the job. A lot of times, I know a lot of injuries have happened because a guy gets to a job site. We had it happen in over in Lincoln City. Guy gets to a job site, the wall's 24 feet, and he's got a 20-foot ladder, extension ladder. The only problem is when he pushes off, what happens? The ladder kicks out. He hits the ground. Why? Because the office was 13 miles away. It's most important to pick the right ladder for the job you're going to do.
The right ladder for the right job. That's making sure that that ladder safely accesses where you're going to go. If you got to go up on a 2-story roof and you only have a 20-foot ladder, it's not going to give you the extension you need to get over the edge of the roof. You're not going to have anything to tie to. You're not going to have your 3 feet over.
We did an investigation where a employer selected an orchard ladder to be used, and in this situation, the orchard ladder has a third leg, and that third leg is designed to penetrate into soft soil. In this situation, the employer set the orchard ladder up on a smooth concrete surface, and the third leg was not able to penetrate into the smooth concrete, and there was no sort of device to prevent the third leg from spreading. Essentially, there was no spreader bar. The employee set up the orchard ladder correctly, but set it up on a surface that wasn't appropriate. And so when the employee climbed up on the orchard ladder, their weight pressing down caused the third leg to slide out from underneath them because the orchard ladder couldn't penetrate into the concrete, and the employee fell to the ground, receiving severe injuries.
So we try to have a kickoff meeting before every project in the office, what they're doing, what kind of work, where they're at, what the building is, what's the product, and then we talk about ladders or scissor lifts or boom lifts or whatever they're going to need where they're working. And how high is the ceiling? Well, the ceiling's 14 feet. Oh, so you're going to need 10-foot ladders, right? Oh, that's right, I got to get 10-foot ladders. Okay, so let's not take any 6-footers out there because we won't need them. So that planning, it's that proper planning. If you don't have the right ladder, your job's going to take longer because you're struggling. It's going to be more hazardous because you're struggling and you're not comfortable. And and when you raise the hazard level, I raise my incident level. And I don't need you to do that. You need to go home every day healthy and safe, get the right products.